India, Bharata. A country, a culture, a way of life, a rich history, a huge potential, a well-wisher of the world. India believes in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. India has thrived for the betterment of the world since ancient times. India has been selfless in bringing value to the people around the world, be it yoga, meditation, Ayurveda, chess, computer science, melodious music. It has given many gifts to mankind. Years ago, what started as trade led to slavery. Unity was affected. Indians' free spirit was curbed. We lost great souls in the freedom struggle. Even after independence, due to false narratives, the portrayal of Indians changed at a global level for quite a long time. We took many things for granted, one of which is our Parampara, something to be proud of. Ancient Indians were ahead of their times, contributing to science, maths, medicine, economics, fitness, music, dance, literature, etc. It was a part of their culture and lifestyle. In this series, I will bring to you some of the ancient scientific concepts suggested and practiced by the Indians. The original slokas are in Sanskrit, the oldest, brightest, sophisticated, yet long forgotten language. I have tried to validate and translate some of those slokas, a small effort to make it reach you all. It is never too late to realize the kind of knowledge our ancestors possessed, the vision that they had for us and the generations to come. Whether you are an Indian or not, I want you to get inspired, realize your potentials, responsibilities, possibilities as a human being. Let's resonate with each other positively and work towards making this world a better place. Happy learning!